When you lose your weight, where does it go? The stubborn fat gets converted into water. Just by knowing the science, it is easy for you to lose those extra pounds from your body. So stay tuned till the end of this video. This is Ranjani from Aathmik Yoga. We are here on our day 6 of the 21-day online free yoga workshop Transform 2023. If you are new here, please do check out our previous videos by clicking the link in the description box below. Let's get started on our day 6. Fat is in the air. From our previous videos, we know that we provide input into our system to receive the output. And many of us know that the air we inhale is one important input into our body. But many of us doesn't know that the air we exhale is the stubborn fat. Let me explain this with some science. The equation displayed here, C55 H104 O6, when combined with 78 molecules of O2, outputs 55 molecules of CO2 and 52 molecules of H2O. To simplify this for the non-chemistry people here, this C55 H104 O6 is the molecular formula of human fat. And when this combines with oxygen, which is nothing but the air that we inhale, gets processed, and the output we receive is 55 molecules of carbon dioxide, which is the air that we breathe out, and 52 molecules of water, 52 H2O. When the fat reacts with oxygen, it gets converted into carbon dioxide and water. Science provides us with specific number 2. If you lose 10 pounds of fat, then it gets converted into 8.4 pounds of carbon dioxide and 1.6 pounds of water. It means 84% of your body fat gets converted and exhaled out as carbon dioxide, and the remaining 16% is lost as in the form of water, either by urinating or by sweating it out. To lose weight, it is important to restrict our diet and take control of our metabolism, as we have learned in our day 1 to day 4 videos. But just remember, 84% of your fat is going to be exhaled out. So what does that mean? You have to breathe more? No, you don't have to breathe more. You have to breathe properly. Breathe deeply with proper inhalation and proper exhalation as mentioned in our yogic text. It is important to inhale and exhale in the ratio of 1:2. That is, when you inhale for 1 second, exhale for 2 seconds. Here I have inhaled for 3 seconds and exhaled for 6 seconds. So this is the ratio. Whatever seconds you are able to inhale your air, you should be exhaling the air double the amount. We all breathe 24 hours continuously. But do we breathe properly? To check it out, just do this test along with me. Keep one hand on your chest and the other hand on your belly with your spine straight. Now take one deep inhalation and one exhalation. Do this for a couple of times. You can close your eyes and concentrate on the movement of your hands. Just watch how your hand moves when you inhale and how your hand moves when you exhale. Relax. So now when you inhale, your chest should move out, your stomach should move out. And when you exhale, your stomach should compress in and your chest should relax. If this is the way that you have inhaled and exhaled, then you are breathing properly. But most of the people do it in reverse. When they inhale, the stomach and the chest goes in, and when they exhale, it moves outside. What does that mean? Just consider a balloon. If you fill air in the balloon inflates. And when you release the balloon shrinks back. So the same concept applies to our body. When we inhale, our body needs to expand in all directions, the 360-degree direction. And when you exhale, the stomach and the chest should compress back. If this is not happening when you inhale and exhale, then you are doing a shallow breathing, which is a common behavior with people who are constantly in stress. If you find yourself breathing improperly in the test, then it is important for you to practice pranayamam every day for 15 minutes. This will help you to improve your breathing pattern throughout the day. I'll be linking a video on pranayamam which needs to be practiced today as the activity for day 6. Do practice the pranayamam for 15 minutes and let me know in the comment section below once you've done practicing it. There are people who consume nutritious food, sleep well, yet they feel tired and fatigued in the morning. They may be inhaling and exhaling in an improper way, which may reduce their oxygen supply in their blood vessels. Thus, it is important to inhale and exhale properly all the time. One point to add it here, like how we insist on eating quality food, air being an important input for our human system, it is important to breathe fresh air, quality air into our human system. Especially during the night, it is essential to keep our room free from dust or repellents, and it should be well ventilated to make you breathe fresh air throughout the night so that you can be fresh and active in the morning. Also, you can spend your time in nature like parks, near the trees, beaches, whenever possible to get some fresh air into your lungs. So to conclude, the stubborn fat in our body is getting converted into carbon dioxide and water. So it is important to breathe fresh air in a correct manner, in a correct ratio. Do practice pranayamam every day to keep your body healthy and active. Subscribe now to our Aathmik Yoga channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications whenever we post the next video on our Transform 2023 series. Do follow us in our Instagram and Facebook pages by clicking the link in the description box below. You can also join with us in our WhatsApp community where you can ask questions related to health, fitness and diet with the professionals directly. Do share this video with your friends and family who might also get benefited by watching this video, because sharing is caring. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Nandri, Vanakkam.